Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw my Draw So Cute girl wearing an ugly Christmas sweater. So let's get started. To draw this festive cute girl, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another one. There. So now I have my circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So now that I have the eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and spruce them up with some lashes. So maybe just 2. And same thing here. So one longer one and then a shorter one. And then we need to draw her brows. So I'm going to come to the top, about right here, and just draw a soft arc. And down. I'm sticking it up. And same thing on the other side, about right here. There. So now that I've done that, let's go ahead and give her a sweet smile. So about right here in the center, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve and then come up and cap it off. Then from there, with this hairstyle I'm giving her, she has some strands on the sides of her face. So I'm going to come to the top right here, kind of imagining where I want her forehead to be, the edge, the hairline. And I'm going to come to the center, come up, and say about right here. Right in the center, I'm going to give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to go up with a curve, and I'm going to bring it down really close to her eyes, like practically touching it, and just come down. And same thing over here. So go up, and then we're going to head down towards her eye, and just come down. Then from there, just come into this area right here, and we're just going to draw a curve to finish her forehead. Draw a curve coming down. Then from there, just imagining if you were drawing her face, it would be about right here, and it would come down as a U, right? So let's just kind of come back here, and then we're going to start to come about right here, and I'll drag this point across so I kind of know where to go on the other side, about right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve, and then I'll find my center first. So let's say about right here, just so I know where I'm going. And I'm just going to draw a curve and bring it down for her chin. And then same thing, head up. So if you're drawing small, you might not need these points. But since I'm drawing big, it's just easier for me to see where I need to go with my lines. Okay, so there, I got her face in. Then from there, we can go ahead and just gonna go and finish off. Well, you know what? Let's draw her hair later so I know how far down to bring this strand. So let's come back down to right here and give her a little neck. So here and here, just gonna draw her little neck right here for her. And then I'm gonna come down with shoulders and bring it down. So same thing here. I just wanna make sure I have my shoulders in before I draw her the strand of her hair so I know it doesn't go too low. So now that I have that, I can come back up. Oh, actually, let's come down here, sorry. Now I'm just gonna bring it really close to her shoulders, and then I'm just gonna thicken up this strand and connect. So same thing here, go up and connect. There. And then we can go up again. So her hair parts in the center, and then about right here, I'm going to go up and down. And let's bring this down. So I'm going to kind of angle it down here by the sides and bring it down. So same thing here, just kind of angle and down. So I'm just giving her some straight hair. Nothing fancy. And then from there, let's come back to the top and say about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve for her headband. And then in this area, I'm going to put a star. So I'm going to kind of put it to the side and just make it kind of flop down. Make it extra cute right there. And then if you like, you can come even up here with another layer for her hair, just to finish it off. Okay, so now that we have that, now we need to come back and draw all of her body before we finish all of her hair. So now that I have this, I'm going to come down and say about right here, and where her armpit area would be in here. I'm going to give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm just going to draw a slight angle line down. And here. Just give it a slight angle. And then let's keep going. I'm going to make this sweater nice and long because it's all about this ugly sweater, right? So let's see here. So I'm just going to have her wear this sweater and a pair of tights. So I'm going to bring it all the way down to about right here. Just kind of curve it in. And then we're going to connect it with a wobble. And then come down for a little cuff on the sweater. And once again, just a little wobble, so it's not so stiff and straight. Then come back up here, just give her a neckline, and then let's work on her legs. So center, so on the sides right here, I'm just going to go center, come to the left, come to the right, and then here we can start. I'm going to work on this side first, and I'm just going to draw 2 lines that cut closer and closer together. So let's say about right here, I'm going to come down to about there. So you can have her wearing jeans or tights, whatever you like. This is just meant to inspire you. So let's say about right here, I'm going to stop and cut it off and give her a pair of boots. So I'm going to come down. So notice I popped it out because it's nice thick winter boot. And then about right here, I'm just going to curve this part out and then come in. And then this part is just going to straighten and then connect. There. So you just want to make sure you have this little curve right here. Then same thing on the other side, about right here. And stop, and same thing here. And connect. Then once again, come down and curve. And about right here, we're going to pop it out, round it off, and connect. There. Okay, and I'm just going to draw a little line right here for some details on my boot. And let's see here, maybe a bottom as well. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the arms. So I'm just having the arms to her side. So I'm just going to use this line. So let's bring this down. And about right here, we can just kind of dip it in a little bit and then come right back out. We want her hands to be around in this area. So I'm going to come out, poof it out a little bit, bring it in, then a little cuff, and then her hands. So come right here, draw a thumb, round it off of her fingers and go all the way around. And then right here, we just kind of connect it. And same thing here, just connect it. And so same thing, just come down And as you come about right here, just dip it in a little bit and then out. So just gonna drag some points across, approximate, poof it out and bring it in. The cuff about right here. And the fingers, so same thing. Thumb, go around and connect. And then for her hair, let's go ahead and I'm just going to bring it down straight and then maybe about here and add in a strand. And just tuck it in. And then maybe on this side, give it a little curve and then just sweep it in. There. Okay, and then from there, draw some parting lines if you like. And so then now that we have this blank canvas for our sweater, I'm just going to go ahead and decorate it and make it as ugly cute as possible. So I'm just going to come right here. And like I said, this is just meant to inspire you. So I can't wait to see your fan art of what you come up with. But I'm just going to come in and draw some of these cuff details first. And then let's come here and we're going to draw this huge Christmas tree. I'm just going to go ahead one, and it's going to be a very crude Christmas tree because we don't want it to be a pretty Christmas tree. We want it nice and silly. So something like this, and then towards the bottom, we're just going to go zigzag all the way. Then let's see here, and I want to write I love Christmas, so I'm going to come right here and write I, put a big heart, love, and then X. Well, you know what? Well, that makes sense if we put X and must. Okay, let's do this. Just gonna put X right here. X and then must. Don't have much room. And an S. So I need to bring this down. So I went too high because I don't have enough room. So I'm just going to erase this really quickly. And this. I got a little too excited. Okay. So wait for that to dry, and then in the meantime, maybe we can add some, I don't know, zigzags here, make it extra crazy with the patterns. Maybe some circles. And of course, on each point right here, we're going to add a little circle on our Christmas tree. And then on the sides, we're going to add some stripes. And let's see here, maybe some zigzags as well. So like I said, this is just meant to inspire you. And you can make it as crazy as you like, or as simple as you like. It's all up to you. And I'll put in some circles here as well. And same thing on the other side. There, so hopefully that looks silly enough. And then let's fix this. So I'm going to put a heart right here. Nice big heart. And then an eye right here. There, much better, right? Nicely spaced. And that is pretty much it for this new Draw So Cute girl wearing an ugly sweater. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I inspired you and brought a smile to your day. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.